Okay, we do ever so well with any Land Rover products we get, but at the moment, these cars are selling very, very quickly. Land Rover Range Rover Sport Dynamic SE. Now, this is a Fuji White example with a full black pack on a 2373 with 20,000 miles on, with some real key optional extras. Deployable factory side steps, which are about £3,300, opening sunroof and factory deployable tow bar, as well as the way this car looks with the full black pack. Black roof, black mirrors, black inserts throughout the car, and the 22-inch black SV Bespoke Alloys. It's a fantastic example for a Range Rover Sport. Under warranty with the dealer, and with the electric steps, the leather interior. This car, as a base model in a Dynamic SE, comes fully loaded, but the big things that make the difference are like the sliding roof, the deployable tow bar, the deployable steps. Then we've got adaptive cruise, 360 camera, heated wheel, heated front and rear seats, plus a whole host of other things. It's a fantastic car to drive, 300 horsepower, diesel, 3-litre diesel, fuel efficient, and a great car to look at from every angle. The Fuji White paint I really like when it's paired with that black pack, so the roof, the midsection to the back and the front, the badging and the bottom section. We come with space elements, you know, it's a Range Rover Sport, it is luxury throughout, but we have got space in the boot, we have got split seats if you want to fold those down. And then this little cluster of buttons are really important. It's got air suspension, electric foldable seats, and, you know, that deployable tow bar from a button comes out. It's a great pulling car. If you look at the reviews online, the Range Rover Sport, because of its wheelbase, is one of the best towing cars you can buy, which is a big thing. And with that tow bar, it means that you're going to be doing it in style. So, from the rear, you'll see, again, practical elements. We have lots of space in the back. We have rear heated seats, USCs, and 12-volt charger in the back there as well. And then as you walk around, you'll see into the door mirrors, you've got the little light up sections. That is for your blind spot assist. As part of the adaptive cruise control package, black wing insert, bonnet insert, black styling across the front, including the Range Rover badging and the grille, the dynamic lights. This car has front and rear parking sensors, keyless entry, and cameras all around the car, which I'll show you now. But important things, I'm going to jump onto the electric step, which comes out as I open the door to help me get in. And then once I'm in, black steering wheel, heated, adaptive cruise and lane assist, switchable cockpit, then the camera system. So you'll see we've got top view camera, 360 camera, and there's points all around this car to alter your camera system, like so. Look at this, it's really impressive stuff. We've also got a towing camera because it's got the tow bar, wireless smartphone integration, wireless smartphone charging located here, heated front seats, heated front and rear screens, digital climate control, of course opening roof with black headlining. It's all in the spec, it's all in the details. This is a great car, it's a great colour, great condition, 20,000 miles, still under warranty. It'll sell very quickly. So if you're interested in this Range Rover Sport, my number's on the screen here, it's Richard. Please call me. Thanks for watching.